Hello, welcome to Healthylivingfitter channel, the experiment clinic with Florence Straka. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make mango, peach, banana, and guava juice smoothie. That's what we'll be doing today in this video. And so stay tight and I'm going to put everything together so you can do it as well. So stay with me as we dive right in. Stay tuned. Okay, so now I have my banana and then I have my mango and I have my peach, and then we're going to be using a guava juice. That's what we'll be using. So I'm just going to peel the banana, take the skin out. I'm going to use one of these bananas rather than that one. So this is the banana that I'll be using. I'm just going to peel this out and I'm going to take all the strings out, and then I'm just going to cut this in here. All right, and I'm going to cut this in, and then what I'm going to do next is I am going to peel the peaches and just take the skin out. It's really soft because I had it for a while and I have not mixed peach with banana in my smoothie before, so this is a new experiment that we're going to be making and see how it comes out. And I'm just going to use half of this. I'm not going to use it all because I want to see how it's going to come out inside here. Peach butter. All right, so and then put that in as well. All right, and then now I'm going to just take the skin off the mango. It is very soft. You can see it's just coming right off because I wanted the juice, everything to, you know, ferment. So I have this like 5 days, so you can see how soft it is. When it's soft like that, it's easy. You can get all the taste from it. When it's hard, it's not that softened, then you don't get the sweetness doesn't come out really as you want it. But this is nicely ripe and soft. Finish that, and I am going to just take half of this. See how soft it is. All right, I'm gonna keep the rest in here. Okay, so now that I have the mango, the banana, and the peach, I am going to just pour 1 glass of the guava juice that we are going to use for the mixture. You can add ice. I am not going to add any ice to this, so I pour and see just 1 glass, and I'm gonna pour this in here, and I'm gonna just pour this on there. And let's start blending. Wow, you can see how thick it is, the creaminess of it, and I am going to pour this right in here. Alright, so I'm gonna pour this. Oh my goodness, look at how thick, creamy it is, and it's very thick. So with this you can add more juice. Oh my well. And I'm just gonna use a little bit mango to make a decoration on top. I didn't get much, but just a little. Just something like that. Well, it's sinking in, but alright, and that is our mango, peach, banana, and guava, 1 glass of guava juice smoothie. That's what we just made. It's so thick. So in case like this, you can add probably 1.5 glass of the juice. Depends on whatever juice you want to use. You can use orange juice. For me, I like either the orange juice, the grape juice, or the guava juice. You can use any of those, or cranberry juice or pomegranate juice, depending on what kind of flavor you want. But this comes out right. So I am going to taste this and see how it goes or how it tastes like. So alright, so we just finished with our smoothie and I am going to give it a taste and see how this comes out. So let's see. Oh my goodness, I love this already. You taste the mango, the guava juice is in there, and then the banana, the creamy, it's very, very creamy. So if you probably add ice and then the mixture, it will make this a little bit lighter, but it is very thick and very creamy and light. It's just very light on your tongue. It is good. I love it. Try this. Leave a comment in the comment section below for me to see how you made this. What juice did you use to make yours? Did you add an ice? How does it come out for you? Because I love this. This is going to be my breakfast. So this is simple. You can drink this any time of the day. It can be your breakfast, it can be your lunch, it can be your supper, or after you have supper, you can have this like just a side dish or something just to refresh your body, you know, enjoy it. For me, I'm just gonna drink this this like this. Sometimes I can put this in the refrigerator for it to cool a little bit before I drink. And if you add ice, then you don't need to do that. But since I did not add ice to this, because ice is not something that I like, so that's I'm just gonna drink this fresh like this. And this is so refreshing. It's so fresh. You taste everything. And so enjoy and leave a comment for me to see how you like this. If you like this video, share, like, comment, and I will see you on my next video. Subscribe also to this channel, as I'll be bringing you more experiments of juices, recipes, and also juicing. So I will see you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.